to be planting cabbages, cucumber, and yeah, cabbages and cucumber. Those are the seedlings from for cabbages, and the tins contain cucumber. This is our nursery. So nurseries, we do coriander on them. I've posted that in my previous videos. We've planted 280 seedlings of cabbages on this drip. Cabbages did well last year, and therefore this is just 280 of them. They will be ready after 90 days. That is around May or the first week of June. So yeah, cabbages, cabbages, cabbages. I'll be giving you a post on how to grow cabbages in my next video, like an intense look into cabbage farming and what you can do to maximize your profits. So that's how it is. And then we have our spinach that we've been harvesting since December last year. We've even over harvested. The leaves have become smaller and smaller, but we've continued watering them, and we are thankful for the rains. Yes, it rained yesterday in Mbuvi Farm, so the rains are back. The spinach will now form big leaves like last year, and we'll continue harvesting. We over harvested them because we had the market prices was quite nice, and the demand was too high than we had expected, and that's why you can see now we've really harvested them. But you can still feed on them. Of course, this is what you get into the market, but this is not what I promise my family, because I know we can do better than this. So those are our spinach, and also the maize, the corn. Just after the spinach, we've been also harvesting our corn. I'll bring you a video about corn harvesting in other coming videos. And here I'm just checking the soil, just to ensure that they have the right nutrients. You know that at Mbuvi Farm we are doing it organically, so this is just the manure and the soil, and it's quite okay. Not an issue there. So with the rains, we expect that the leaves will become bigger in the coming weeks, which will be awesome. I was also checking on to see if we have any pests issues, but the cabbages, I don't know the cabbages, but the spinach looks okay. We'll see if we need to be spraying any chemicals, but all is well. Then the other thing is we've done is I've brought in seeds. We've planted now the Fordhook spinach in our nurseries, and that's what we will be transplanting in the coming weeks. So this time round, I've been able to plant my own seeds, my own spinach seeds, instead of buying them. Then this is the cucumber that we harvested last week. Now the cucumber doesn't look so good, so we are going to uproot that, and then we are going to plant, because I've come with seeds today. We are going to plant more cucumber. Those are just the beds that we are forming today, and more cucumbers will come for this season. So just us digging the place and making sure that everything is ready for the cucumber. This is our caliandra. So we do our caliandra in basins. That's how we grow it. So this is just our caliandra, and it's doing quite well. And we've been consistent. So we are planting caliandra almost on a weekly basis. And those are our spinach when they're little. So yes, we are going to transplant those in the coming weeks. But we've had issues with birds. So birds are finishing our spinach off. So that's something that I need to research and see how we can reduce birds on our spinach when they're on the nursery, when they're small. And that's just the portion of our seed beds, like the nurseries. That's where we put them up. Thank you so much for coming, and thank you for tuning in to Mbuvi Farm. Asante.